afternoon and welcome everybody. Welcome to our next LIGNA tutorial on the LIGNA.Innovation Network. My name is Stephanie Wagner and I'm one of the project directors of LIGNA. And next to me, as last time, is my colleague Miriam Max, another of our project directors within the team, and she's responsible for the LIGNA.Innovation Network. So last time we gave you some background information on our decision why we choose to stage LIGNA.Innovation Network. This time we would like to dive more into actually what LIGNA.Innovation Network is about. So Miriam, maybe you can give us some background information. How is the LIGNA.Innovation Network structured?
We have planned a triad of conference, expo, and networking, and the aim was to create a platform where our participants can interact with each other, where they can present their news and innovations, and where they can make new contacts. And let's just start with the conference, and it would probably be best if you could tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, you may all know the conferences that we had in the past for the LIGNA in present, which was the Wood Industry Summit and the LIGNA Forum. So what we're doing this time is we're staging both forums on two different channels, and they're going to be going digital. So the Wood Industry Summit is directed at the primary industry, while the LIGNA Forum Digital is directed at the secondary industry. All two of those stages will be dealing with the focus topics of LIGNA. The Wood Industry Summit, which our colleague Figen Güner is responsible for together with a partner, but we will let you know more about that later on. She is actually dealing with her program about green material processing, while the LIGNA Forum is taking up the other two topics, which are woodworking transformation, so the entire area of digitization, and prefab building processes. We will stage live actually from around the corner in our hub, our event location on site in Hall 18. And there are various participation options for all of you who are interested to take part and to contribute. So for those of you who want to contribute, we do have a fact sheet online already on our website. And this gives you a little bit of information how you can suggest input and content for those conferences. Okay, so Miriam, now that I've covered the conference part a little bit, can you give us some more information about the second column, which is the networking?
Yes, of course. Now, the networking area actually gives all of our participants the opportunity to interact with each other. All participants have to register there separately with a personal profile. And so it gives our exhibitors a unique opportunity to actively approach their customers as well. So interaction is possible between exhibitors, between visitors, and from visitors to the exhibitor, and vice versa.
Great. So then we have, that really leads us to the third column, which is the expo, the exhibition, which is the specific presentation area and options for exhibitors. How is that being structured?
Well, the exhibitor presentation is an exhibitor and product presentation on their profile. So the exhibitors can present their company, they can upload information about all of their products. For each product, they can actually upload a product video and all other materials such as written information, pictures, etc. And what's unique and new about that section is basically that all the exhibitors have, according to their package, a different number of contact persons with digital functions. So basically these contacts are assigned to products, which gives our customers the opportunity, when they look at a product, they know exactly the name and the face of the person that they have to get in touch with in order to speak about the respective product. And that can then take place in the networking area, where they can again make contact with each other through a calendar function, with either a telephone call or a video chat.
Okay, so you mentioned different packages. So depending on maybe the size of our exhibitors, the company size, or the aim they're targeting with the LIGNA.Innovation Network, there are various packages varying in volume of the services included that you just mentioned. So maybe you can just really briefly mention, because it's too much for a format like this, but we have everything on site and in the shop, the different packages.
So there are 4 different package sizes, ranging from a size S to a size extra large. And they basically all include the same basic services, such as the company presentation and an unlimited amount of trade visitor tickets and a few more things. And what they differ in are basically the size of the streaming minutes. So The smallest package doesn't include any, the largest includes the full day stream. Also, there are different numbers of contact persons with the digital dialogue functions and the number of added qualified leads. And all those packages with all the details can be looked up online, and they're available in the shop.
So what to do now? If you're interested in those packages, you have various alternatives. First of all, you can obviously always call one of us. So the entire LIGNA team is here for you to answer any detailed questions you might have. Second option would obviously what Miriam mentioned, to look up the shop, the LIGNA shop. It has our detailed packages included online and with some explanations to that. And the third one would be watching the tutorials, watching our webinars, and all the other information we have on our various channels. Thanks for the valuable information. It was again a pleasure to talk to you today for our audience. So thanks again, Miriam, and we're looking forward to the next ones.
Yes, thank you, Stephanie, and thank you for joining us today. And for the upcoming tutorials, we're going to introduce you a little bit further to the different packages and what they contain, and also to the conference format and what you can expect from that. So see you then. Bye.
Stay safe. Bye-bye.